Hey guys, my name is Scott Silva and I have been working as a professional editor for the last 3 decades in the film and television industry. I work with Avid, Premiere Pro, and DaVinci Resolve. And sometimes going back and forth between all of those softwares, you forget some things. I had that exact thing happen to me last week, so I got the idea to create this video. Let's go over to the computer and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so right now we are in Premiere Pro. As you can see, I've already got a timeline laid out. I've put a few stock photos that I got from Envato Market. So let's just show you how to turn on the magnetic timeline in Premiere Pro. It's a really quick tip. Okay, so down here you'll see we've got our stock photos, as I mentioned before, and I am sliding the mountain landscape towards the New York City skyline, and as you see, I can just go and keep going and it obliterates it, or would obliterate it if I were to let go like that. We'll undo that and go back to where we were. So as you noticed, nothing was snapping, right? Everything just, the clip just moves. No snapping to our position locator, the blue line there. And that's because the magnetic timeline is not turned on in this sequence. How to do that? Very quickly. Right over here, there's this little, what looks like a magnet icon, and it is white. White indicates that the function is not on. Let's click on this and see what happens. It turns blue. Snap in timeline is on. So if that is the case, let's go back to the timeline and see what's going on. So I'll grab my landscape photo again, and this time I will drag it and boom. If you see that, it snapped right to the position indicator. I'll move it further away. We'll see if you didn't see that before. Here it comes. It's stopping. Boom. It's jumped right to the blue timeline. So snap is turned on in our timeline. Let's bring it towards the skyline now. You'll see what happens. Boom. See how it jumped right to the end of the skyline clip. So snap in timeline is now on. Also, it can snap to your position indicator. I've moved my blue line. I want the landscape to start here. Boom, it snaps to the timeline and it is now on. Just to review, you click on the magnetic timeline. When it is white, it is not on. When you click on it again, it is blue. Now it is on. And your clips will snap as you slide them around in your timeline. The keyboard shortcut to turn snap in timeline on is the letter S on your keyboard. So I'm going to hit the letter S right now. You see that the magnet indicator is now white, meaning that snap in timeline is now off. And I hit S once again. It is now blue, which means snap in timeline is now on. So that is how you turn on the magnetic timeline in Premiere Pro, or snap in timeline as it's called. Hopefully this tip helped you. And if it did, please leave a comment below, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. And let me know what other tips you would like to see in Premiere Pro, or Avid, or DaVinci Resolve. I work in them all, and I can definitely help you learn how to use each of those softwares better in your career. So, thanks for watching this video. I will catch you in the next video. What are you wanting? What? There's a dog in the video. What? Mac, I am trying to work here. I am trying to work.